Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change your region in the Google Chrome browser. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, launch your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once it opens, direct your attention to the top of the screen where you'll see the URL address field. This is where you'll type in web addresses to navigate to different pages. In that URL field, type google.com/preferences and press the Enter key on your keyboard. This will take you directly to Google's Preferences page where you can customize various settings related to your Google search experience. Wait a moment for the page to fully load before proceeding to the next step. Once the Preferences page opens, look over to the left side of your screen. You'll see a navigation menu with several options listed vertically. From this menu, locate and click on Other Settings. This section contains additional customization options that aren't part of the main settings categories, including regional preferences that affect how Google displays information to you. After clicking on Other Settings, you'll see more specific options appear. Look for and click on Language and Region. This is the section where you can control how Google handles language preferences and geographical location settings. These settings directly impact your search results and the content Google shows you based on your selected location. Next, within the Language and Region section, find the option labeled Results Region and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear displaying a list of available regions and countries from around the world. This setting determines which region's search results you'll see when using Google, which can affect things like local news, trending topics, and region-specific content. Scroll through the list of regions and click on the one you want to select. Take your time to find the specific region that matches your needs. Once you've clicked on your preferred region, a confirmation button will appear. Go ahead and click Confirm to save your selection. This will finalize your region change, and Google will now display search results tailored to the region you just selected. And that's it. You've successfully changed your region settings in Google Chrome, and your search results will now reflect content from your chosen location. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.